Stop scrolling. What's this male bee doing at the hive entrance? In Sydney's scorching summers, we expect worker bees to fan their wings to keep the hive cool. But look closer at Bee-Croft Honey. Drone bees, usually seen as the hive's freeloaders, are right there in the thick of it. Most people miss this, but drones actually help regulate hive temperature. Unlike workers, drones don't collect nectar or pollen, but their large bodies absorb heat, acting like living heat sinks. When temperatures soar above 35 degrees, drones cluster near entrances and fan their wings, moving air and carrying excess warmth out. This behavior looks odd, big, clumsy males fanning alongside workers, but it's normal and crucial. Without this drone support, brood can overheat, risking the next generation of bees and honey production. Right now in Sydney, with heat waves hitting, this hidden teamwork is the difference between a thriving hive and disaster. So next time you spot a drone hanging around, remember, in summer, he's more than just a guest, he's part of the hive's survival system. This is what we are seeing here in Sydney at Bee-Croft Honey.